Howdy. My name is Milo Myers, and I'm going to be presenting research on animal sperm cells, otherwise known as spermatozoa. This little fella is a spermatozoon, a single mature sperm cell. This is an elongated cell, and he's got three main parts: his head, his neck, and his tail, aka the flagellum. Let's go into what makes him tick. We start with the head, in which there's three components. The first of which is the acrosome. This is 40 to 70% of the total sperm head area. It's got the needed enzymes that help destroy the outer layer of the egg cell, allowing the sperm to get inside. It's right up here, at the very top. Next is the nucleus. This has all the needed chromosomes of the sperm cell, half the genetic information for the future embryo. This is the only part of the sperm cell that actually goes inside the egg cell, and its purpose is to fuse with the nucleus of the egg cell and complete the genetic code for the new being. We'll talk more about that in a second. Lastly, we have the plasma membrane, which surrounds the acrosome and nucleus to separate them from the rest of the sperm body. Moving down here, we have its neck. This is where the mitochondria lives, producing ATP. After all, sex cells have to have energy too. A sperm is no good if it doesn't last more than a minute. Lastly, of course, we come to the tail, or the flagellum. This helps the sperm get around once it's inside of the uterus, and it helps reach the egg cell. Research suggests that the flagellum propels the sperm in the womb, similar to the rolling of playful otters. I'm not making that up. There was actually a CNN article that used that exact wording. Circling back, sperm cells are called haploid cells because they have half the chromosomes needed to make offspring, i.e., one of each in each chromosome pair. This reduction of genetic material is achieved by meiosis, the cell division process that occurs in sexually reproducing organisms to create sex cells. Now, males are responsible for determining the gender of the offspring. The sperm have either a Y chromosome for a boy or a second X chromosome for a girl. Egg cells will always have an X chromosome. Every animal, and we'll use a cat as an example, has a set amount of chromosomes. Cats have 38 total chromosomes, 19 in the sperm, and 19 in the egg. For comparison's sake, dogs have 78 chromosome, which is 39 per sex cell. Sperm is made within the testicles of an animal and are released during ejaculation. When a tom and a queen mate, the spermatozoa are streamed into the uterus. They travel up the fallopian tubes, racing to get to their destination, the egg cell. The strongest sperm pokes his head through the egg cell membrane with the help of the acrosome, ditching its neck and tail. The merger forms a zygote, which will eventually become an embryo, and that embryo will eventually grow into a fetus, and that fetus, of course, will grow into a kitten. And there we have it. We've covered all the parts and the functions of our little spermatozoan friend. Thank you for watching, and good luck VTI class of 2026.